A lot of people are scared of silicone. DIYs, don't be. It's the magic of soapy water. Soapy water is the key. And a paddle pop stick. So run it down. Pump it in. Don't be afraid. Easy peasy. Another finished bathroom on a Friday. What's time? 20 to 2. I've got to pack up yet though. So I'll be another hour. At least by the time I pack up, I'll pack up and clean up. I've got to do a bit of a clean up. That's all there is to it. When you get a little imperfection like that, see this? You just smooth it off. You pull out the handy tool. All I can say is thanks for watching my videos, everyone. Thanks for supporting me. It's you know, it makes it all worthwhile. When people ask me a question and I'm able to answer it, you know, don't be scared of asking me a question. DIYs, just ask me a question. I'll do my best to get onto it and answer it. You bring out the hand tool again. You'll be amazed. When you give it a go, you will be amazed how easy it is. How to make that nice. Make that corner, internal corner, lovely. Beautiful. Okay, people. I'll do around that niche. I'll do that last. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll come back in a minute. Yo.